Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm showing how to replace these light lens covers. Now this is true of so many different types of light lens covers, from track lights to vanity light fixtures to lamps. Many different types of light fixtures use this particular type of connection to hold the lens cover on.
Welcome
Here's
back
how
to Kung
replace
Fu
a
Maintenance, where I
broken
show
one.
you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, today I got this light lens cover with these ice crackled lenses. Yeah, I got a super crackled one right there. Snap somehow. So I'm going to show you how to change these out. So what we've got is a light bulb, and then behind it is a collar nut. I'm going to do this kind of carefully. Hopefully I don't break the glass anymore. What you got to do is use a few fingers to turn the inner collar nice and gently. Again, I'm hoping that the whole thing doesn't break apart. Being kind of careful to loosely hold it together. And got my safety glasses on. There it is. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. You want to just turn it nice and easy, because the thread is very large on this, so it has a lot of move on the threads. Anyway, here's my new, a little less crackled lens. And I'll put it up in there. I guess I can give you a better view of the threads. You see, and the deal just turns on. I mean, and that's simple enough, but if you try to put pressure and turn it, then it won't like you very much. And if you try to pull too hard, it won't like you very much. Just a little turn is the way to go. Just a little twist. And it's almost easier to turn the whole fixture with the collar as you do it. So, this one. Just kind of combination of it. We don't need to over tighten it, just finger tighten. It's good. And we'll reinsert the bulb. And that's that. Now we got a nice crackled lens without being over crackled. Done deal. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.